Hello, my crafty friends. Well, today we are going to play around with a masking technique, and we're going to use it with a product that you might not have thought about using it with. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I have 3 different card ideas that I want to share with you that feature masking with doilies. So you might not have thought about using your doilies for masking, but it creates this beautiful background for your cards, and you can decorate them any way you like. Now, the cards in this video feature just some of the heart shapes from the Endless Love dies and just some of the pattern paper from the Made with Love Designer Series paper pack. But the key product that I'm using today are these doilies. So these are called Lovely Doilies, and they come in 2 different sizes. And basically what I'm going to do is use the large doily, and we're just going to use it as a mask and do a little bit of ink blending to create the background for these cards. Okay, so first let's talk about how I created this background for this particular card. Now, all the cards that I'm sharing with you today, I actually did my masking on a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of white cardstock. So we are going to be using Bubble Bath ink for this particular technique. And I have one of these large doilies. You can choose either one. I'm just using the back side so you can kind of see where I did my masking. I recommend just adding a little bit of tape to your scrap paper here. This will hold your white cardstock in place, so when you do your ink blending, it won't move all over the place. And then the next thing you will want to do is just kind of line this up wherever you want it on your cardstock piece. And I'm just using a little bit of washi tape just to hold down this doily as I'm doing this little technique. And then I'm using a small blending brush. And so basically we're just gonna grab some ink and we're just going to blend into this doily. And you're gonna blend it all over so that you cover all these little hearts and all this fun design on this doily. And then you'll also move outside of the doily and just add a little bit kind of around the edges of the doily. So it'll give like a little shadow kind of effect. So let me go ahead and ink blend all of this design, and then I will do the peel and reveal with you once I'm done. All right, so I have finished adding all the ink to the inside of this doily, and I just did a little bit around the outside edges. And then you can just lift up the doily and you have just a beautiful image right on your cardstock. And then of course you can decorate it any way you want. So I just added a little bit of embossed paper on the side, and then some of the hearts that I die cut using the Endless Love dies. And then I also added some little loose valentines. So these little hearts came from this loose valentines, and then just a little bit of ribbon. So for this particular card, I didn't want to take away from the design by adding a greeting. So all my greetings and sentiments will go on the inside of the card. So that's basically what you do. And then you could just peel this off, that little piece of tape, and create your card. All right, so now let's take a look at the second design, because as you can see, I have part of a doily on this side and I have part of a doily on that side. So I'm going to show you how I created this just using the one doily that I have here as a mask. So we're going to use the 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of white cardstock. I still have some tape here, so I'll just add that right to my tape. And basically what we're going to do is just do the ink blending on each side. So I want to line up my doily on each side of this cardstock piece here. And I think we'll go right about there. So we're going to do one side at a time. And the process is the same. So you're just going to use this blending brush and you're just going to ink blend some of this bubble bath ink all over this doily. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so once you've finished ink blending on this side, you're just going to take off the doily and then you're just going to turn it around and just use it on the other side. So you're basically just going to line up these two parts of the doily so they're kind of equal here. And then we are going to go ahead and add some ink on this side. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so once you've finished ink blending, then you can just peel this off and reveal the design underneath. And then I just added, you know, some different shapes to the center, like a little heart shape, and I had some embossed cardstock that I added across the center just to kind of make everything more uniform. So it would look like that. So that's basically how you would create that doily on each side. And then, like I said, by adding the focal point, it'll just kind of cover up any imperfections you have, and it will just give a really nice clean look to your finished card. All right, and for this third card idea, I really just wanted to showcase that you can position this doily anywhere you want on your cardstock and just create just a fun little background design using this masking technique. But here I also did a little die cutting on here, this particular die, which comes from the Endless Love die set. So I just cut out those little hearts and then I did ink blending actually on the card base behind those hearts. So I'm just going to show you how I did this real quick. So here is my white cardstock. This is my A2 size card base. And I've already gone ahead and done my ink blending on the bottom of this cardstock piece. This is the piece where I cut out those little hearts. And so this will go on the card front like this, but I want to add some ink behind those little hearts on the top. So basically, I just kind of ink blended right up on the top, kind of up in the corner, directly on the card base. And then I just am able to add that white piece over the top then. So once you get enough ink on there, then you can add this over the top and you have some ink blending behind the hearts. And then of course you have your ink blending down here. And then you can add, you know, some die cut pieces and some embellishments and stuff to just kind of finish off your card. Okay, so there you go. Now you have a fun way to use doilies or maybe even die cut shapes to do a little bit of masking and create a fun little background for your cards. And if you enjoyed these card ideas, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the cards shared here today. Have a fun and creative day, my friends. Take care.